What we saw outside, the same product we have installed in Jogeshwar.
डायरेक्ट ऑनलाइन
रेडी हो जा। चलो 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 साइड 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 चलो।
First of all, good to see you here. And I would like to ask you, what do you think about the GM stalls in your Ace Tech?
And it's always been the best. There's no doubt about it also. And it's not just this year. Year on year, I feel the stalls are of course getting better, which probably the world can also do, using the kind of talent. But the products you see is what overtakes the stall also. The stall looks better because of the products being extraordinary. And every time I come, I'm amazed as to the kind of innovation that is happening.
So, sir, I would also
Come here now somewhere, because you go cross here. Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. So, sir, I would also like to ask you that GM invented Edit Winner also got a lot of love from the people. So, what do you think about that?
It talks about GM believing in talent,
Yeah.
promoting young talent, and that's the whole idea. GM's idea is to promote young talent, give them opportunities, and make it possible for young talent to come out and express themselves. So it's a brilliant initiative, and I think GM is a product that has a large heart, and that shows.
And sir, I would also like to ask you that what innovation caught your eyes in the GM store?
I think GM itself, the people are innovative. They've got a large heart, and whenever a company has a great heart and has good people behind it, it makes a big difference. You have Ramesh ji, Jayan bhai, you have Rajesh bhai, you have Vicky. I think the entire team is a team that I'm in absolute love with. And when you love the people behind any product, and especially when you're a proudly Indian brand, when the people are good and the intentions are good, the products automatically turn out to be best. So if you talk about innovation, I'd say they innovate themselves every year, and that's what's exciting. That's what I love about GM, and I always say that also.
Indeed.
Anna, what do you have to say? No, I've been watching you coming to this place, especially GM.
G.
Tell us your decision with the brand.
With GM,
Yes.
बुरा मानेंगे
More like a family.
बुरा मानेंगे दोनों, लेकिन लोगों को लगता है मैं मालिक हूँ और ये दोनों ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, तो उससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या कहूँ. नहीं, इट्स अ फैमिली. आई ऑनेस्टली से, और मैं बार बार इसलिए बोलता हूँ क्योंकि यस 7-8 साल से जुड़ा हूँ मैं, लेकिन 8 साल पहले जब सुनील शेट्टी शायद काम करना भी बंद कर दिया था, दैट्स द टाइम वो मुझसे जुड़े। तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उड़ते उभरते सूरज को वो सलाम करते या उड़ती चीज़ों को। They recognize people and I feel blessed that I'm a part of this family.
So, क्या कहना चाहिए आप? He's so humble and he's absolutely right to कह रहे हैं कि तब हम जुड़े। Vibe मिल जाती है, बहुत positive vibe।
I think Anna is been very humble, but I think what we look in Anna is like we feel that he's our family, and that's the reason that we always with him, and we get a lot of inspiration, a lot of suggestion and feedback to be in the market and where do we go from here, and what kind of innovation do we create, and a lot of ideas have been given by Anna, and like Trudy said, he's the owner of the company, and we are
On record, hai bhai. So, Baba, you all have any claims, any of?
and we love to be with him for the entire life of our brand.
No, and it's not only GM. मैं GM बात नहीं करता। अगर आज मेरा घर भी बना हुआ है तो वो GM है। आज मैं अगर साथ आया हूँ तो भी मेरे साथ there's this young interior architect Iram Boxwala, my friend's daughter, Shivansh, who's a builder. मैं दोनों को लेके आया। I said, you come have a look at what these people are doing, and that's because I believe in the product. वरना मैं अकेले आता और एक अपीयरेंस की तरह अपीयर करके चला जाता। बट व्हेन आई कम हियर, मैं खुद बोलता हूँ कि मुझे वैसा टाइम चाहिए जहाँ मैं टाइम बिता सकूँ, देख सकूँ प्रोडक्ट। मैं एम्बेसडर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं हूँ, मैं अपना मानता हूँ तब किसी चीज़ से जुड़ता हूँ, क्योंकि जितनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी GM की है, जब मैं ये बातें करता हूँ तो उतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेरी है। मुझे पता है कि कहीं कुछ गलत हो जाएगा तो मैं राजेश भाई को फ़ोन कर दूंगा कि राजेश भाई किसी के साथ गलत हुआ, तो बोलेंगे प्रोडक्ट भेज दो यार, पैसे हम दे देंगे और फिर भी हम काम करके देंगे। तो आई थिंक ब्रांड वैल्यूज ये होती है। हम मेड इन इंडिया नहीं कहेंगे, हम कहेंगे प्राउडली इंडियन। GM वो चीज़ है, वो ब्रांड है।
So what do you say? जिस तरह से अन्ना कहते हैं कि ये लोग ऑनर मांगते हैं कि मैं आई ओन दिस कंपनी और आपको देखिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
रमेश जी कुछ नहीं बोले।
Yeah, I mean, Anna is always like he said, he's get associated with the brand that way. He has his trust and the faith, and I think we are very proud to have him. Put the trust and the faith in us, and that's the way I think he's been so kind, and he's not like a brand ambassador. Like he's like family. We can call him, and he's there for us every time.
अन्ना something out of the box. आप मिलने हो तो पूछ रहा हूँ, नहीं तो शायद मिलने हो तो पूछना नहीं। Order, Ahan become a part of it. Do you got nostalgic now?
Of course,
And,
I think जब अप्रूव हुआ तो for me there were tears of joy and genuine tears. आज भी मैं इमोशनल हो जाता हूँ क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है कि वो लेगेसी आगे लेके जाएगी, and I think he's apt for it. जो पर्सनालिटी है आहान की, he looks like a soldier. And I'm blessed, और इसलिए हमेशा थैंक यू कहूँगा JP और निधि को for believing, अनुराग को and भूषण को, कहते थे they believe that Ahan can be a part of such an epic film.
any tips you have given to him?
No, nothing. बच्चों से हम टिप लेते हैं, मैं कभी टिप देता नहीं हूँ, but yeah, it's probably you learn so much from them.
Anna, want to say something?
So you've been visiting the show for years now. Any notes on Haystack? We are one family, GM Haystack. We've been together for years now.
I charge for that.
Your observation on
I
Haystack.
charge for that. GM is my brand, and of course, Haystack is numero uno. So, but you don't need to plug it in; it happens automatically. We're here because of Haystack, so we're aware.
Anything else you want to say something? जो शायद हमने ना
ये है इसका बैंक बैलेंस पूछो यार, कितने पैसे हर साल बनाता करता क्या है?
सर से पूछो हेल्थ,
लेकिन देखो हेल्थ
How does Shetty?
he is also innovative.
What does it take to be a Shetty? You
Sunil
cannot take
Shetty,
out.
it needs consistency and it needs to be honest and clear from here. That's me.
Okay, the last one, if you can appeal to the Mumbaikar, the election is on the way. Come and vote.
Absolutely. Come and vote नाही, आ जाओ भाई. माहित आहे नाहीतर काय होणार तुम्हाला. तुमचं माणसं नाही येणार मग. या 20 तारीखला आपलं इलेक्शन आहे, येऊन आपल्या मतदान द्या. very, 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 very important. I think इससे बड़ी चीज़ है ही नहीं. वोटिंग जो हमारे राइट्स है, एक्सरसाइज करने, हम रोने लगते हैं, हम लॉन्ग वीकेंड्स पे जाते हैं, तो खास करके पढ़े लिखे लोग आइए और वोट कीजिए. या
ऐसे नहीं हो पाएगा. आप लोग थोड़ा पीछे हो गए, जब हो पाएगा. पीछे हो जाए भाई, मोबाइल थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ.
सेंटर सर. सर लाइट चल क्यों? सर मेरी ऑफ तो है, मैं तो ऑफ रखा हूँ. मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो.
अन्ना सर,
शिवांशी नाम
अन्ना सर, ए मोबाइल
Anna, center. On your right, little center. Yeah, thank
अरे
you.
यार, मोबाइल आप हटा दो.
ग्लास पहना सेंटर ही है.
All are center.